to shape. So today we're going to focus on the 2D shape, and we're going to focus on the big word properties. Okay, so we're going to focus on two parts of the properties, which is the sides of the shape and how many there are in each shape, and the vertices and how many there are in each shape. But first of all, we'll just go through a quick recap of what the 2D shapes are. So I have drawn them out here on this, and if you want to challenge yourselves now, you can pause the video and you can match up the writing on the side here. The name of the shapes, you can match them up to the correct shape. So if you want to pause it now, you can do so, and I will go through them. So the square is this one over here. Okay, so that's the square. And the rectangle, which the best way I find to remember a rectangle is, imagine you have a square and you're grabbing the two of its sides and you're just pulling it as strongly as you can, pulling it out so you've stretched it. So a rectangle is just a stretched out square. Okay, a triangle, tri means three, so a triangle, the easy way to remember that is that it's got three sides, a triangle. Circle is this one in the corner. Okay, and then pentagon and hexagon. So pentagon is up here, and a hexagon is this big shape down here. Okay, so sides. So a side is just the bits that go around and make up the shape. So we've got one here and one here, one over here and one up there. So it's the bits that go around the shape. So we can go over the shape like that to show the sides. Okay, so a square has got four sides, and a rectangle, just being a stretched out square, it will be the same. So it has got four sides as well in the rectangle. So a triangle, the word tri, will mean that it will have three. So we got 1, 2, and 3 around the outside. Now a circle is a little bit different. It has just got one big side that just wraps around it. So it has only got one side. Okay. Now a pentagon, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So a pentagon has 5 sides, whereas a hexagon has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 sides. Okay, so there's going to be a chance for you to have your own go now, as there is a Google document, which I will send a link to on Dojo, and it will have a table for you to complete in regards to the sides of shapes. Okay. But I've been a little bit silly, and I have forgot to put in some of the names of the shapes, or I forgot to put in how many sides there are, or I've even forgot to put in what that shape looks like. So you are going to have to go and complete that for me. I know you will have no problems doing that. Alright, so if you want to pause the video now, go and do your Google Doc sheet, and then come back to the video, because there's more activities for you to do here. So this one is, I've got 5 shapes, but I've been very silly, and I've, again, must be after Easter, as my brain's not in gear yet, I have put them in the wrong order. Alright, so what I want you to do is, you can do it on a piece of paper and draw the shapes and label them. I want you to put these in the correct order from smallest to biggest in terms of the number of sides. So the shape that has the smallest number of sides will go here at this bit, and then the shape that has the biggest number of sides will go over here. So pause the video now, and you can complete that challenge. And we will come back onto this, and we will go over our vertices this time. So we'll get a nice red. So a vertices is just where two of the sides come together. So it is, in simple terms, it is just the corner. Alright, so we have one up here on a square. So we got one. So how many vertices do you think a square has? So you just kind of go around, you can pause the video, and you can have a go yourselves. So I'll pause the video now. Just do what I have done now with the square. Just go around and write down how many you think there are. Okay, so the rectangle, as we have said, is just a stretched out square, so it will have the same number 1, 2, 3 and 4 vertices. A triangle, we've got 1 point up here, 2 and 3 vertices. So pentagon, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there's 5 vertices, 5 corners where 2 of the lines meet. On a hexagon we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 vertices. So there's 6 points where the lines meet. You'll notice though with the circle that there is no vertices or corners on it, alright, because it's just a one continuous line, so there is no vertices on it. So a circle will have no vertices. So a circle has got 0 vertices. So it does. Okay, so now is your chance to write down number of vertices on the Google document. You'll find another table that has the vertices missing out, and I want you to go and fill that out now for me, because I know you will be much quicker doing it than I am. So if you can do that now, that would be great. And then there is one more activity for when you come back. So as you can see from this, I've drawn a range of shapes. Okay. So you're going to need 3 different colours for this activity. You're going to need green, red and blue. Okay, so with the shapes that have 3 vertices, I want you to copy them and colour them in a green pencil or pen. Any shape that has 4 vertices, I want you to colour in red, or draw in red. And any shape that has 5 or 6 vertices, I want you to colour those in blue. Okay. So, I just want to say thank you very much for giving me your attention. I will try, and now I've started coming a lot more to grips with the videos. I'm going to try and release a few more within the week, sort of a lot quicker between the 2 of them. There'll be one that will this week that will just solely focus on problem solving, just to keep that up, because it's a very important aspect of our maths and it helps us apply it to real life situations. So there'll be one that will be solely based on problem solving and shape in there, and if you'd like me to do any other videos for any other subjects, please just let me know and I will work on making it. But thank you very much for your support with these videos so far, and if you can continue to do that, that would be